What else is available in here? Well, let's just have a look before we go into the model. We have the node modules, of course. They will always be there. There'll always be a folder called node modules if you have an npm project with a packaged JSON file. So that's why this guy pops up. Now we have a library with 2 different classes in here. They will make sense when we just look at the first model, which kind of extends from these 2. But let's look at a model. What is a model? Well, we have customer and movie. If you remember, those were the 2 choices I did with a comma-separated list, right? The customer and the movie. Let's try and open the customer now. If you look at this, you'll see some things you should know, like the customer schema. Great, a schema. That's something from Mongoose, right? And here's the schema. It says, I have a title in the customer. Let's put in a name instead, a first name even. So he'll have a first name and a last name here for the simple one. The first name is required, so is the last name, and then let's also force him into having an email. Email, there we go, email, and then he could have a phone number. And what else should we have in here? Let's just put in shoe size. I know it kind of sucks, but shoe size. I know, but I just want you guys to see this. Type number. So we just added a schema here for the customer, right? So we're going to add more later, but I just want to show you. So that's where we control the schema from the customer. That's from Mongoose. You can see that in here. So now you know where the customer schema resides. But now you know where to find the schemas, and I think that's very important. So in the next lesson, let's try and use this schema just to show you that Postman is actually working. See you next time.